Now we go to the waterfall.
So we are here straight at the waterfall. The water is 65 to 100 degrees hot and the waterfall itself is around 25 degrees. And as you can see, I'm standing here straight next to the waterfall, and Laura and I went swimming in the water as well. We stand on the spot there and stand under the waterfall. That was so amazing, but my feet kind of hurt now because I was walking the whole time barefoot in the hot water, but it was amazing, so nice. And thank you to Ahmed, our guide, who showed us the way and also took care of us. Thank you so much. After we went to the waterfall with Ahmed, we went to the pool like for 2 or 3 hours, I guess. And we're sunbathing a little bit too much, as you maybe can see, and especially like my upper body as well. Laura's upper body is red like a lobster. So shit happens, yeah. So Ahmed offered us a free massage. I already had mine, now Laura is having her massage, and afterwards we are going to take a few pictures with the sunset, which should be in around 1 hour, and especially with the waterfall I think this could be really beautiful. And then we are going to the dinner buffet, and else we don't have any plans, so see you later. Okay, I'm finished with the sunset shooting, and I think you can see the pictures here, and here, and here, and here, and here. And big news, our Laura got Instagram! Who thought of that? So I'm gonna link her Instagram in the description, or maybe I can pop it up right here. And yeah, go check her account out. I have to work for a client and finish those pictures, as well take care of my sunburn because it's kinda hurting at the moment, and I hate myself for not putting on sunscreen. Yeah, so you can still see a little bit of the sunset going on there. The GoPro doing its job for a beautiful time lapse, at least I hope so. Then you can see the waterfall in the morning. Like you can see the first fall, then the second, and down below, which you can't see, is the third fall. And under the third fall we were standing in the morning. Yeah. So yeah, I think that's it for today. After the working, I think we are going to have dinner at the buffet again, and then not a lot more going on. I think we have a easy, chill, relaxing night at our room, and then tomorrow we are off to Petra. You now see a teenager freshly engaged in Instagram. Sad, but not mad. We have unfortunately to leave this beautiful place. Samir, our driver, is already waiting for us. We nearly packed all our stuff. Only my MacBook and my hard drive is still working to upload some client photos. So now we have to check out, and then we are going on our road trip to Petra. It's like approximately 3 hours. So see you at Petra. Bye.
Meine Schenkel ein bisschen brünen hier hast.
Vielleicht hupt er wegen dem. So we are at the Dead Sea. It's 360 meters below sea level. It's really crazy.
It's the lowest point of the earth, in the world.
Where people live, yeah. So that's true. Yeah. So we are going to continue our way to Petra.
Whoop, whoop. Hi Samir.
Hi.
What are you doing now, Lucas?
I'm gonna mount the GoPro on the car. Okay.
Sure?
It should, yeah.
I mean, sure, it's okay.
It should. Yeah.
Let's go!
Yeah. I think. We are here in the valley towards Petra, and just look at this view. This is so crazy. There's Laura, Samir, our driver, and now we are continue our road trip towards Petra. I think it's 1 hour more of driving, and as you can see, the way is kinda dangerous.
I also
But I
like
think
to live
should
dangerously.
Be able to manage it. As well, I changed the GoPro battery to have some more footage of the trip towards Petra. So see you there. So we arrived in Wadi Musa. You can see this is our hotel with the rooftop terrace where we are going to eat dinner. Yes, Wadi Musa is just located I think 5 or 10 minutes walk away from Petra, where we are going tomorrow to explore the whole ancient city.
I have hummus, tabbouleh salad, Jordan salad.
Arabic.
Arabic. It's the same. And this, I don't know.
Very nice words, but happens to be wrong.
Did you hear that? The same.
You serious?
Same but different.
Yeah, right. Same but different. And this, I don't know how it calls. Do you know, Lucas? What?
No idea.
You know.
We climbed all the way up to the treasury.